Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into a project that can make your home more comfortable, reduce energy bills, and boost its value. Yes, we're talking about installing energy-efficient windows like a pro.
Whether you're in a charming Victorian terrace or a modern new build here in the UK, this guide is tailored just for you.
Before we begin, let's gather the essentials. You'll need a measuring tape, a utility knife, a spirit level, a cork gun, a hammer, some shims, and of course, your new energy-efficient windows.
Step 1. Accurate measurements are key. Measure the height and width of the existing window frame at 3 points top, middle, and bottom. Be precise, as even a millimeter off can cause issues during installation. Tip: always use the smallest measurement for a snug fit.
Step 2. Remove the old window carefully.
Use a utility knife to cut through the old cork or paint, then unscrew or pry out the frame.
Be gentle, you don't want to damage the surrounding plaster or brickwork, especially if you're in an older UK property. Step 3. Prep your space. Clean the frame thoroughly, removing old debris and ensuring the surface is smooth.
This helps create a perfect seal, which is crucial for energy efficiency.
Step 4. Position your new window.
Insert it into the frame and use shims to adjust its position until it's level. Check with your spirit level to ensure it's perfectly aligned. Pro tip: use shims sparingly to avoid stressing the frame.
Step 5. Sealing. Apply a high-quality silicone cork around the edges to lock out drafts and moisture.
In the UK, where weather can be unpredictable, this step is vital for long-term efficiency. Tip: smooth the cork with a wet finger or a tool for a neat finish.
Step 6. Test your work.
Open and close the window a few times to ensure smooth operation.
Check for any gaps or leaks around the frame.
And there you have it, your energy-efficient window is installed.
Not only does this upgrade help reduce heating costs, but it also keeps your home cozy during those chilly British winters.
If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and share your window transformations in the comments below. See you next time. Subscribe for more DIY tips.